Happy Monday, everyone. I hope you all had a great weekend. It's August 16th, 2021, and this is After the Bell. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining me for another video. I'm Richard Allen. This is After the Bell. I'm going to talk about some earnings reports from CleanSpark, TME, and Roblox, and then we're going to cover what's going on with the stock market today, because the S&P and the Dow hit all-time highs, and there seems to be a bit of a disconnect between what's going on in the world, in the US, and the stock market. So we're going to talk about that. But let's jump over to TipRanks.com. We have the S&P 500 almost at 4,500 points, the Dow Jones over 35,600 points, and the NASDAQ above 15,000 as well, all up on the day. While Bitcoin trades down 2%. But the S&P and the Dow both hit all-time highs today. While COVID is running rampant all over the place, they're talking about maybe even 200,000 plus cases per day in the U.S. Relatively soon. That's kind of a scary statistic. They're talking about more mask mandates, potentially some lockdowns, and that is kind of scary. I think that's kind of scary. And then you have the issue going on in Afghanistan right now with the Taliban taking over city after city, and now the capital as well. And that you have President Biden speaking on that today, and saying they're gonna, what they're gonna do is continue to pull out U.S. citizens and civilians and things like that. But that's really it. So you have what seems to be what would move the market down in the past. You have the market hitting all-time highs again, right? So I'm a bit confused with what's going on with the market. Let me know in the comments below how you feel about the market. Remember, we just talked about consumer sentiment hitting a 10-year low just last week, and now we have all of this going on with COVID, as well as Afghanistan as well, which has real life consequences, real world consequences. But the S&P and the Dow hitting all-time highs. How do you feel? Let me know how you feel down in the comments. I would love to hear your opinion down there. But let's talk about CleanSpark real quick, because CleanSpark is down right around 9%. I'm going to refresh here. Yeah, 8% after hours, but they haven't reported earnings or revenue yet. I'm really confused because I can't find it anywhere. I wanted to wait a little bit later to try to get this out to you guys, but they are down 8% after hours, and they were down 1.36% in normal trading today. But again, I don't have any hours as of recording this. I don't have any earnings for you. Unfortunately, I would love to share them with you, but I don't have them at the moment. Let's jump over to Tencent Music Entertainment Group. This is a Chinese company, big company. They own a lot of smaller companies around the world and different stakes in different companies all over the place. They beat for EPS. They missed in revenue, though, however. So they had a 9% surprise in EPS, but they were short on revenue. And because of that, they are up slightly after hours, but they were down today in normal trading. They were down 9%, but they have rebounded after hours, up 2.5% overall. So not the best news for Tencent, but not terrible news. They didn't have a horrible miss there for Tencent. So that's what's going on there. Let's jump over to TME. Let's talk about what the analysts have to say. This is a moderate buy. 14 analyst ratings, but look at that upside, 120% potential upside over the next 1 year for Tencent. We have ranges anywhere from $12 on the low end to $27 on the high end. Quite the range, I know, but we have some really good analysts in here giving this a pretty good upside overall for ticker symbol TME. Let's jump over and talk about Roblox. They have results as well. Let me click this here for you guys. They missed on revenue and EPS, and it was a big miss on revenue. 34% miss on revenue. They were down 5% in normal trading and down an additional 4.5% in after hours trading as well. Not the best news for Roblox overall, but they did grow revenue quite a bit. and they grew overall by about 35%. So big revenue gains there for Roblox, but they have fallen quite a bit since they reported as well. If we go over to RBLX, it's the ticker symbol for Roblox, we'll see that this comes with a moderate buy as well. Same thing as TME, 6 analyst ratings with an average upside of just short of 13.5% there for Roblox. Guys, remember, let me know what you think about everything that's going on in the world right now. I know it worries me a little bit with the stock market. There seems to be really a disconnect with what's going on, and we know we've seen COVID kind of run rampant and get out of control, and I think that could happen again relatively quickly, and things could drop pretty hard pretty fast. So that's my concern in the short term, but that's just my opinion. I would love to hear yours. Please let me know. Obviously, I do at least 2 videos here a day on the TipRanks YouTube channel, so if you aren't subscribed already, please go ahead and do that. Don't forget to comment and like below, and I'll see you in the next one.